you're not ready for the basic stall drill as such, which is alternating 1, 2, 3, 4. But what we could do is maybe if you looked at it this way, this might work. So if you think of both poi being in overhand right now, which they are, and what you do is you just look at trying to do 2 stalls. 1, 2, and coming to underhand. Just 1, 2. And then 1, 2, and coming to overhand. Okay, and it's the same. So let's say I'm leading with the right hand. So right, left, come to underhand, making sure that it's in a clean split time, and then right, left, back to overhand. Good. And then connecting them together. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And now slow it down, because right now you're doing right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So I want you to give it some legato, making it long. I want it to be a longer movement, and I want it to have more finish on it rather than a staccato movement. So give it the space to blend it. Let's do the same thing, only now lead with the left hand, right? So left, right, left, right, left, right, left. No, start in overhand. Left stall back, then right stall back. Now you're doing almost a quarter stall. So what I mean by almost a quarter stall is this. It's like, ba-ba, ba-ba, as opposed to ba, 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 ba. Work on leaving space between the first stall and the second stall.